Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete an OpenSea account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you've not yet, also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us in order to delete OpenSea account. If you open up a web browser and get logged into OpenSea and simply go to profile icon, you can see all of the other settings that you won't be able to find an option to delete your OpenSea account. In order to delete your OpenSea account, you need to delete the wallet that is connected to it. For example, I've connected OpenSea with our MetaMask wallet. So in that case, you'll need to go ahead and delete your MetaMask wallet. If you completely want to delete your MetaMask wallet, then all you need to do is to simply uninstall MetaMask from your computer or your mobile device. Since MetaMask does not store any user data whatsoever, there is no account to delete. Soon after you do that, you won't have any wallet to link with OpenSea too. That means you can easily delete your MetaMask wallet or uninstall it from your system in order to delete your OpenSea account, since there is no way to delete your OpenSea wallet. Once you've deleted your MetaMask wallet as well, you can simply go to the upper right-hand corner, click on the Logout button, and you'll be logged out of your wallet. You can now simply delete or disable this OpenSea wallet account from your system or your mobile devices. That is the only way you can get rid of or delete OpenSea account. I hope that tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.